Welcome to Lecture 3. Now that your tools are set up, it's time to start creating content. In this lesson, you'll learn how to use ChatGPT to generate engaging, ready-to-record video scripts in just a few minutes. The key to great AI output is a clear prompt. Open Chat. After you press Enter, ChatGPT will instantly produce it. You can also ask ChatGPT to create multiple sections of a longer video. For example, request. Write a 3-part outline with an introduction, 3 main points, and a closing call to action. This way, you can build full lectures, lessons, or even an entire course structure. To keep your videos unique, add your own personal examples or key data points. AI is powerful, but a human touch makes content more trustworthy and engaging. When you are happy with the draft, copy it into a text file or Google Doc. This will become the script you use in the next module when we create a studio-quality AI voiceover using Microsoft Azure. That's all for this lecture. In the next session, we will improve and polish your scripts using ChatGPT's editing tools to make them sound natural and professional. Welcome back, creative storytellers. In the previous lesson you discovered how to generate a simple video script using ChatGPT. That's a great first step, but here is the real truth. The quality of your output is only as good as the quality of your input. A basic one-line request will produce a basic script. A detailed, carefully crafted prompt can produce something that sounds like it came from a professional writer's room. In this extended lecture we will take a deep dive into advanced prompt design and I will share practical techniques you can start using immediately to create scripts that shine. The first and most important rule is context is king. Imagine that ChatGPT is a talented but brand new assistant who knows nothing about your audience. If you simply say, write a script about AI, you will get something generic. Instead, give rich context, who the audience is, what they care about, how long the video will be, and the emotional mood you want to create. For example, you might say, write a 60-second YouTube short script introducing 3 beginner-friendly AI tools for small business owners. Keep the tone inspiring but easy to understand, and include a call to action at the end encouraging viewers to subscribe for more AI tips. See the difference? That single paragraph gives the AI a roadmap for style, pacing, and audience connection. The second technique is to define structure before writing. Great videos have a clear beginning, middle, and end. You can guide ChatGPT by asking for specific sections. Here's a sample. Create a script with a 10-second hook, a body divided into 3 main tips, and a 20-second closing message that feels motivational. When you provide a skeleton, the AI fills it with focused content instead of wandering off into unnecessary details. Third, leverage persona-based prompting. This is one of the most powerful yet underused features. Rather than just requesting a neutral script, ask the AI to become a particular type of writer or speaker. You might say, act as a documentary narrator and craft a script about the evolution of quantum computing, or act as a YouTube educator who loves pop culture references and humor. Personas instantly change vocabulary, sentence rhythm, and the overall vibe, making the final script feel more human and less machine-generated. Fourth, practice iteration and refinement. The first draft is rarely perfect. Think of ChatGPT as a collaborative partner. After receiving an initial draft, follow up with adjustments. Make the opening sentence more surprising, add a statistic in the second paragraph, or reduce the total length to under 150 words. Each small tweak moves the script closer to your creative vision. This back and forth is where the real magic happens. Next, consider audience engagement cues. Ask the AI to include rhetorical questions, short dramatic pauses, or even quick humor to keep viewers hooked. You can say, insert a rhetorical question after the second key point to re-engage the listener, or add a playful example to lighten the tone. Because our final goal is voiceover, you should also include TTS-friendly formatting. Request output in short paragraphs or bullet-style sections. This creates natural breaks that Azure text-to-speech can interpret as pauses, resulting in a smoother and more human delivery. A simple line such as, format with clear sentence breaks suitable for voice narration, works wonders. Finally, build a prompt library. Every time you craft a successful prompt, save it in a document or note-taking app like Notion or Google Docs. Over time you will develop a personal collection of ready-to-use prompts for different situations, educational shorts, motivational reels, explainer videos, and more. This library will speed up production and ensure consistency across projects. Your action step is simple. Write 3 different prompts using the techniques you just learned. Experiment with context, structure, and persona. Run each through ChatGPT, compare the outputs, and notice how dramatically the tone and quality change. With practice, you will no longer ask ChatGPT for a script, you will direct it like a skilled producer guiding a professional writer.